Now, let's talk about IFT, if this then that. It's the most straightforward automation tool on our list. With IFT, you can automate simple tasks across multiple apps, services, and even smart devices. From turning on your lights at sunset to backing up your Instagram photos to Google Drive, IFT makes it all super easy. If you're just starting out and want something that requires almost zero learning curve, IFT is where it's at. Rounding out the list is UiPath, and this one's for those of you who want to explore more serious automation. UiPath is a leading robotic process automation (RPA) tool that allows you to automate repetitive tasks, everything from data entry to invoice processing. While it has a steeper learning curve compared to the others on this list, UiPath offers tons of beginner tutorials and a community to help you along the way. It's perfect for anyone looking to dive deep into automation as a career, so there you have it. 5 powerful tools to kickstart your journey in automation. Whether you're looking to automate small tasks or dive into enterprise-level workflows, there's something for everyone here. Which tool are you excited to try first? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more automation tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.